Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about English कि अंग्रेजी भाषा आपको कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँचा सकती है. English language can uplift you up to that level you can't imagine in your mind. Right? English language is regarded a career and courier to your career. If you can develop this quality in your personality, if you can develop this quality in yourself, then very easily you can plant yourself anywhere in the world, wherever you want to plant. At this time you can see every sixth person in the world, दुनिया में हर छठा व्यक्ति भारतीय है. And they are working in all countries on the base of English language. If you can go out of country, in mostly countries only English language is spoken. Only English language is spoken. If you can speak English over there, then you can show what you have in yourself. Right? Language is a medium to present what you have in your mind. If you don't know the language, then you are just like a locked box. लॉक्ड बॉक्स का मतलब है आप एक बंद बॉक्स की तरह हैं. यू कांट अनलॉक योर टैलेंट इन द वर्ल्ड. राइट? एंड व्हाट इज लॉक्ड? इवन इट इज वेरी कॉस्टली बट स्टिल इट इज यूजलेस. अगर जो चीज़ लॉक्ड है, जो चीज़ बंद है, चाहे वो कितनी ही कीमती क्यों ना हो, वो किसी काम की नहीं है. Right? At this time, all the professionals, many scientists, professionals, right, teachers, engineers, software developers, they are working in all countries. Only English language is a medium, it's just like a bridge that can exchange, that can help you to exchange your dialogues in the world stage. अगर दुनिया के स्टेज पर, दुनिया के पटल पर अपनी बात को रखना है, देन यू शुड नो हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. You have taken many skills, you have many skills in your mind, but still you can't channelize. If you can't present your skills, what is the use of all these skills? They are just smoldering inside your mind. वो आपके दिमाग के अंदर ही, स्मॉल्डरिंग का मतलब जानते हो, दम तोड़ रही हैं. तो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इज द फ्यूचर पासपोर्ट that can carry to you anywhere in the world, wherever you want to go. English language is the future password that can unlock the world computer. If you want to unlock, if you want to log in the world, you should know the English language. Right? If you can speak anywhere, if you are getting any kind of chance, because nowadays whatever you have taken many degrees, right? Still you are going to appear in any interview. First of all, you are interviewed over there. After that, you are appointed. If you are appointed, you are delighted. If you are not appointed, you are rejected, you are disappointed. Right? So English language is a single way by which you can create better opportunity for you. Even just you don't have anything, if you have only skills, all over the world, anywhere you can go. and only you can exchange your dialogues properly. Easily you can create opportunities for you. तो ये तो दुनिया में कहना ही गलत है कि नौकरियों की कमी है. If people are saying this कि there are shrinking the employments, तो employment is not shrinking, only people are shrinking, they are not expanding their mental level. The whole world is being united, the whole world is being mixed on the base of English language. पूरी दुनिया जो है वो एक में मिल रही है. किस चीज़ के आधार पे? Only with the help of English language. भाई सपोज करो कि if you are going to meet any kind of foreigner and you want to know about that person, then you should know that language, what language the person is familiar. तो आपको वो लैंग्वेज आनी चाहिए. Yes, if you can exchange the dialogues properly, then you can know more and more about that person and you can tell. Otherwise, he is standing, he is like a locked box, you are like a locked box. You can't unlock. Only English language is like a key. Key कहते हैं एक चाबी की तरह है. That can unlock the mind of any person in the world. Right? If you can develop only better language, you can create many job opportunities to you. Language is very nice. If you know one language, you can earn one salary. If you know two languages, you can get two salaries. If you know three languages, you can earn three salaries in a single time. Okay? So develop this quality in your personality, because this quality will help you all the time and any situation where you are. चाहे कहीं भी आप रहे हों, किसी भी कंडीशन में हो, it will always help you. ये हमेशा आपकी मदद करेगा. Okay? तो anyhow develop this quality. चाहे आप सीखें, चाहे आप खुद प्रैक्टिस करें, राइट? क्योंकि पहले तो सीखना ही पड़ेगा. If you don't know anything, first of all you should learn, and after that you should develop the quality in yourself. Keep doing the practice, because till then you don't know about anything. How can you do the practice? Right? Only you can do the practice after learning. Then practice makes permanent what is being practiced in your life, and you should know about that. You are doing practice right or wrong. Most of the time we keep doing wrong practice. If we keep doing wrong practice, then we are being perfect, but only in a wrong way. We are not being perfect in a correct way. So learning is also very good earning. If you are learning, you are earning better in your life. So, okay, thank you very